Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you the 2021 QX cladded arch windscreen fastback tri-tune powered by a Mercury 450 horsepower racing Verado outboard motor. It is a V8 supercharged motor that is just an absolute monster on this vessel. So much fun to drive and so much style and comfort on the water. If you're considering a big bow rider, you need to come take a look at this boat. There's nothing better to cruise our upstate lakes on. This boat is the Monaco blue panel color with the power cladded tower with kicker stereo system. It has the graphite interior with the Monaco blue seat accents, pillow top upholstery, and diamond stitch. Full wraparound windshield with center walkthrough. Captain and co-captain's chair, dual console. With the all-new push-button dash and 12-inch Simrad digital dash that's NEMA connected to the motor to display all your motor's information and gauges right there on the screen. Also chart plotter GPS. The fastback has the stern radius seating with flip-down armrests and encapsulated with rear fiberglass with rear firing speakers, radio remote, and cup holders. Let's take another look at that 450 horsepower motor. Removable ski pylon. This boat does have the RBG lighting package that lights up all the cup holders, speakers, and underwater lights in a variety of colors and brightness. Conveniently located with numerous USB chargers and USB-C chargers. And also some of the armrests have the wireless charging stations built into them. Please come by MarineMax in Greenville. We've got a nice showroom full of boats right now. We'd love to show you everything that we have to offer. Or give me a call, Scott Holmes, 864-236-9005. Thank you.